Hi everyone, this is a short video to help you get to your child's e-learning activities. So we're going to go to our website, crsd1275.org, and that's going to bring us to an e-learning tab. So you click on that tab, and that will bring you to something that looks like this. You can either click on this blue button here, or you could find your child's school on the left. Both of those will bring you to the same spot eventually. So if we click on this blue button, you're going to notice a document that looks like this, and this has all of the school's links in here. Let's click on Ridge Central Pre-K to Second as an example. And this has Ridge Central's Pre-K to 2 information. So we have Pre-K here, we have classroom teacher by subject, we have specials. If you continue on, you'll see related services, etc. So if we click on, for reading, we'll pick Mrs. Cummings grade 2. Clicking on that link will bring you straight to her Google Classroom page for reading. And this is where you'll see the assignments in here. That can be done for other teachers as well. If we were to go back now and find the school name, so we'll go to Ridge Central School. You're just going to see a little different format now. So we're still going to go to Pre-K to Second. And here's the same document that we had as we did before. So this is a little overview. Hopefully it's helpful. Have a great day.